Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download music on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end. To download music on Spotify, firstly open your Spotify application. The home page of Spotify will appear on the screen. Click on search option on the bottom of the page. Search for the song you want to download in the search box and tap on it. Swipe the screen towards upward and click on Add to Playlist option. Name the playlist and tap on Create. Go to your library, play the song and swipe the screen to upward once again. Here you can see the download option. Click on it to download the song. This is how you can download music on Spotify quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.